Hey guys, just want to do a quick trade review on the SPY. Traded the SPY today, so I want to do a quick review for that. Um, no reason really to review the market. I mean, it's the same as it has been. It's been weak. But I do have the ES up. Just wanted to show, obviously, we still open underneath at 21. We had bearish divergence open underneath the 21 and open underneath a key level. Plus, we had selling pressure coming in. So those factors led me to have a little bit more of a bearish sentiment today in the market, bearish bias. So if we go into the VIX, SPY, and Q, I had my computer with me, but I didn't think, we were going to set up um, and squeeze at the end of the day, but I brought it obviously just in case, and we ended up setting up actually and squeezing right when we had pulled into the car wash. So I was sitting in the car wash with the uh, in the car trading before we started to wash the car. But anyways, I ended up setting up the squeezing, ended up setting up on the SPY, and you can see, at about 105, we had a one dot squeeze on the SPY, and we had a one dot squeeze on the Qs, and then we ended up having a five dot squeeze on the VIX. So once the SPY and Q started squeezing, the VIX was already squeezing, so we were on the cusp of having an A plus setup, which we ended up having one. So it worked out well. You can see at 110, the SPY actually started to break out of the squeeze, and so I entered like right after this, right after I started to see that green dot, and as we started breaking down underneath that 5 MA. So essentially, my entry was going to be at that 5 MA, and then sorry, and then I would hold that all the way down until we started to close back above it. But you can see here, ended up breaking down, and the SPY or the Q started breaking down as well. And then you can see we started having that buying pressure coming in on the VIX, so it was setting up to be a nice play. I ended up entering at 113 right here. Ended up entering at 113, uh, and then the stock kind of retraced back up here, and then I ended up getting out of the trade at 120. So literally, this was like a 43-cent move, and it was a 5% return. Definitely could have held on to the trade, but I was essentially playing um, this down to that 437 mark. So when I exited the trade at 119, and we kind of had, you can see here, we kind of bounced around. I was looking for that to literally just go straight down, um, instead of basing a little bit before it dropped. But you can see that's why I entered here. It came back up, retested, and then started to retrace back down. And then once it started retracing back down, I had got out before we got down. I exited around that 437 level, right before that 437.33 ish level, just because that was a key level for the SPY, and I didn't know if we were going to bounce or not. But anyways, quick 5% return on the SPY. Definitely should have had a runner on this one. And whenever you're having this A plus setup, definitely leave some runners. I mean, I had a 5% return on this, but I think that same contract went to 238. I had bought it for $81. So you're looking at obviously well over 100% return on it when it's breaking down out of that squeeze. Anyways, that's all I got. That's my only trade I had today. Um, if you guys do have any questions, comments, concerns, please hit your boy up. Uh, Hopefully you traded well today, and hopefully you mitigated risk. You took A plus setups, and you grew your account. And with that being said, I will talk with you guys later.